Hi everyone, just a quick video. I wanted to say thank you to Bride from Beautiful Bath and Body for another beautiful donation. I opened up beforehand so it wouldn't take so long, but I just wanted to show you some of the amazing things that she's got in here. She makes candles. That smells great. This one is the amaretto soap, which would be this one. Look at that beautiful soap. It's her label. Oh, that smells nice. Really nice. Beautiful fragrance. Cucumber blossom, which would be this one. Another pretty. Ooh, that one's nice too. It's very clean. Really nice. Watermelon sorbet, and that would be this one. She's got the poppy seeds in there. Okay, that's a nice one too. Very, very soft. Very nice. Great colors. She has, this is called cuticle balm, and I do know that these were made especially for the nurses, so I am going to be giving these to them. And here is all-weather zinc balm. These will be going to the homeless. Oh, look at all of them. Wow, that's a lot. And then she also has the beautiful Bath and Body Sunshine Shower Steamers, which will also go to the nurses as a gift. Oh, those are cute. These are lemon lavender wax tarts. Those are really cute little puzzle shapes. And this is a Moz Sugar Lip Scrub, vanilla mint. That's going to be kind of neat to use. Wax tarts, coffee and cream, yummy. Peaches, lilac, frosted mint. Wow, she has so many things. Oh, look at this. Felted Rocky Mountain Evergreen Soap. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, look at this. Lip balm in a little tube. Very nice. And here's another, oh, solid perfume. Look at that. That's a cute little one. And this one is deep moisture lotion stick with hemp oil and mango butter. Wow. All of these are absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. I can't wait to try these. Okay, so all of her information will be down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Talk to you soon. Here I am again with a wonderful donation unboxing. This one is from Eric, the Orgalmeister, and I opened up the bag so it would take a little bit less time, but oh my gosh, the fragrance coming out of these. Okay, look at this. This is so beautiful and it smells amazing. I'm going to put a link down below for his channel so that you can go and watch him make these. Here's another one. Look at the colors in this. Aren't they beautiful? Nice swirls. This one is super yummy smelling. Smells so good. And then this one. This is another. I love the colors in this. Look at that really neat little swirl right there. Eric, these are amazing, and I can't thank you enough. Every time you send a box, it's always the perfect timing. We will be making a delivery this week, and this is going to be a super amazing addition to what we're taking. We're going to be going over to the women's shelter, and they're going to love these. They're going to absolutely love these. Thank you. God bless you for all you do. And thank you everyone for watching. Take care. Wash your hands.